Bold BI by Syncfusion is now included in the Microsoft Visual Studio Dev Essentials program. Bold BI is a complete business intelligence solution that allows anyone to create beautiful, cutting-edge dashboards and share with unlimited users. The platform offers integration with over 120 of the most common data sources, including Azure SQL Data Warehouse, Microsoft SQL Server, and Oracle, as well as generic access to any data source through support for REST. In addition, you have end-to-end support from onboarding to finished product, drag and drop design features, real-time collaboration on dashboards, and integration with Office 365 and Active Directory. To activate this benefit, just log into your Visual Studio Dev Essentials benefit portal, find Bold BI Cloud Edition under Tools, and click Get Code. And then click Activate. Not a member? Join Visual Studio Dev Essentials today to receive free access to Syncfusion's Bold BI Cloud Edition and more.